Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. Hey, today we are going to be trying out some products from a company called Wildwood Grilling. Okay, they sent me their fire starters here. Okay, so these are natural wood and beeswax fire starters. Okay, I haven't tried these before, so we're gonna try these today, starting up today's cook. Okay, they also sent us a big box of maple wood chunks. Okay, and I like the way that these are cut, man, because see how they're individually small, or but just nice enough size, man, for you to handle them, and they're not chips, but they're nice sized chunks. Okay, not being these big old wood things. Okay, so I like the size of these. So we're gonna try these maple wood chips or maple wood chunks along with this beeswax fire starter, doing some ribs today. And we pull out the old Weber Performer, Platinum Performer today. So we're going old school today. We're going to be using the Slow Sear inside of it to regulate our temperatures with a little water to keep up some moisture. And we're just doing a simple set of spare ribs today. Okay, so hey, sit back. We go ahead and get this bad boy prepped up. Check out the Bad Beast Barbecue song that we made on this AI program, and let us know what you think about it while we're doing this montage. Okay, all right, guys, let's get it.
Smoke rolls high in the evening air. A sweet aroma lingers everywhere. Bad Beast got his bourbon smooth and neat. Says the world can't wait. This is living complete. We're puffing on cigars on the twilight's light, sipping on gold. Everything feels right. Got the grill on low, flames burning tight. Oh, backyard living, it's a soulful flight. Bad Beast flips ribs like a magician's trick, with a look in his eye that's calm but slick. He hums a tune while the coals glow orange. Life tastes better when the moment's pure. We're puffing on cigars on the twilight's light, sipping on gold. Everything feels right. Got the grill on low, flames burning tight. Oh, backyard living, it's a soulful flight. Bad Beast splits ribs like a magician's trick, with a look in his eye that's calm but slick. He hums a tune while the coals glow orange. Life tastes better when the moment's pure. We're puffing on cigars under twilight's light, sipping on gold, everything feels right. Got the grill on low, flames burning tight. Oh, backyard living, it's a soulful flight. The stars peek out, a velvet show. Bad Beast tells tales no one else can know. We're laughing, we're swaying, the vibe runs deep. This backyard groove is a memory to keep.
All right, guys. So the key to today's cook was trying to see how well the wildwood maple wood chunks imparted smoke and a little bit of flavor into the meat. That's why we didn't put anything sweet on here. We'll see if we get a little bit of sweetness from the smoke. Let's see. It definitely smells smoky, that's for sure. So went back old school with the charcoal and wood. It cannot be beat. So, all right, let's go ahead and have a taste. Yeah, there's a little bit of sweetness there that I can taste, but maybe a little hard to differentiate between the sweetness of the pork and the sweetness of the smoke, but it's definitely smoky. It's definitely good. And matter of fact, I might have left it in the smoke a little too long, but I do like my ribs and my barbecue a little extra smoky, so they're not as tender as they would have been if we had cooked them for 4 or 5 hours, but they still have some great bite through in them, so might be close to competition style. But anyway, the smoke It's fantastic, and like I said, there is some sweetness there. So I would say that the wood chunks from Wildwood did a really good job. All right. Well, that's about it. I want to thank the folks from Wildwood Grilling for sending us out the fire starters, which was fantastic, by the way. One side is the beeswax, the other side is the wood. You light the wood, and then that beeswax keeps that fire starter burning for quite a long time. I was really impressed with it. Okay, and then the wood chunks are fantastic. I love the size of them, so you don't have to cut them down if you need to. And I will put the links to those items on the Wildwood Grilling website for you guys to check out if you want to purchase some of those for your own cooking. But that's about it, and that's all we have today. So, like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. If it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. Hey, as always, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker.